Let's learn maths today, and name of the topic is let's identify geometrical shapes. Here identify means पहचानो. ओके हम लोग आज क्या करेंगे, ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स को पहचानेंगे. ओके लेट्स आइडेंटिफाई ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स. We will do so many activities. Okay, and by the help of these activities, let's identify geometrical shapes. Here, as shown in the picture, trace the edges of the objects with your pencil and draw the shape of the object. Observe the sides of the object. See, this is our object. What is this? This is a matchbox, right? Matches, isn't it? What we have to do here? We have to trace the edges of the matches or matchbox with our pencil. Okay? And we have to draw the shape of this object. We will do that one. See here. This we are drawing the edge. Right? Now all four edges we have to draw. This is the second one. Okay? And see, this is the third one. And here the fourth side. Like that we have drawn all the four edges. Right? With the help of the pencil. Isn't it? Now dear children, I will take out this object. We will remove this object. See what is the shape we got, right? Okay, one more object we will try. See, this is our compass box, isn't it? Here also we will trace the edges by the help of the pencil. See here, slowly we have to trace the edges. Okay, we must have to hold this object with one hand and with the other hand we have to trace the edges slowly. See here, right? Third edge, it is going behind this object, and this is the fourth edge over. Now what we will do? We will remove this object from the place. See here, what we got? We got some figure, right? Okay, same thing we will draw once again with the help of the pencil here. Okay, see this shape we got, isn't it? When we traced the edges of the matchstick and also the edges of the compass box, we got this shape. This is nothing but a rectangle. What is the name of this shape? This is rectangle. See, RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, remember the name rectangle. Okay, we will see how many sides or edges this rectangle has. Okay, see, this is first edge. Okay, first side, and this is second side, right? And this is third side. Can you see the cursor here? And this is fourth side. Means the rectangle has four sides or four edges. Okay, we can say sides or edges. Got this, children? Okay, we will remove these numbers. Now we will count the corners. Kona. See, this is one corner. I will name this as 1. This is the second corner. Here I will put number 2. This is third corner of this rectangle. And one more corner, that is fourth corner. Means the rectangle has how many corners? Come on, tell me. Very good. Rectangle has 4 corners. Got this, children? Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, see, this is rectangle. Here these two sides are lengthier or larger compared to these two sides, isn't it? So this figure is called as rectangle. Now here we can see a bangle, right? We will trace the edge of this bangle. See, with the help of pencil I am tracing here, correct? Now I will remove this bangle from the place. See, I got a round shape, right? One more here. This is a tube, rubber tube, correct? I will trace the edge of this rubber tube. I will remove this rubber tube. See, we got the shape like this. Same shape we will draw here. See, correct? This shape we got from bangle and from rubber tube, isn't it? Now, this shape has how many edges or how many sides, do you know? Okay, before that, this is called as circle. Okay, what is this? This is a circle. Now we will count the edges or sides. Can you see any edge or side? Yes, it has only one edge. How is the edge? It is curved, isn't it? It is round, it is curved, correct? So we can write here, circle has only one curved edge and no straight side. Straight means, you know, in a line, right? Straight line, you know that, right? Yeah, no straight side is there. Only we can see only one curved edge. Remember this, okay? Circle has only one curved edge. How many corners are there? Can you tell me? कोना कितने हैं? Yes. Can you see any corner? No. Right? Yes, here we will write a circle has no corners. Correct? So this figure is called as circle. Okay? In maths we call this figure as circle. Otherwise in daily routine we tell this as round. Round figure, isn't it? But in maths we call this as circle. Now you know this. This is a cloth hanger. Right? We use this to hang the clothes. Isn't it? Okay, again we will take the pencil and we will trace the edges. See here. Right? Okay. Now I will remove this hanger. I got this figure. Okay, one more we will take. Yes, you know this. You have seen this on the roads, isn't it? This is called traffic signal symbol or traffic signals. Correct? Now here also we will trace the edges. Here, see this. I will remove this. Now dear children, here also we got the shape which has three sides, isn't it? Same to same shape we got. This we will draw on new page. Okay. This figure is called as triangle. Tri means 3. Okay. Tri means 3. So this is called as triangle. Dear children, we will count the sides or the edges of triangle. Okay. This is the first side and this is the second side and this is the third side. It is a closed figure. Correct? figure is closed. How many sides it has? The triangle has 3 sides or 3 edges. Okay. Now tell me how many corners it has. Can you see any corner on this figure? I will remove these numbers. Come on. Any corners? कोना है इस फिगर को? Yes, it is there, right? This is one corner. This is one and this is one. Correct? So we will write 1, 2 and 3. Means triangle has 3 corners. Right? And what is the name of this figure? Triangle. 3 side वाला. Tri means 3. 3 side वाला closed figure means triangle. Okay? Here this is a Rubik's cube. Right? You know this. You play with this, isn't it? Here also we will trace the edges of this Rubik's cube. See here. One side. Now second side. Right? Third side. Fourth side. Now I got this figure. One more we will take this object, that is a speaker. Right? Okay. Here also we will trace the edges. One side, second side, third side and fourth side. Okay, I will remove this object now. Now we got this figure. Right? We will draw the same figure on new page. See here. This figure we got. This figure is called as square. What we call square. Come on. Tell me how many sides are there for the square. We'll count. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Isn't it? Means square has 4 sides or 4 edges. Isn't it? Like that of rectangle. Correct? Okay. Now we will take out this. Come on, tell me now how many corners you can see for this square. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Again, this square has also 4 corners. Right? We will write square has 4 corners. Come on, dear children, tell me what is the difference between this square and that rectangle? Yes? Can you find any difference between that rectangle and this square? Rectangle also has 4 sides. Square has also 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 corners. Square also has 4 corners. Then what is the difference between rectangle and square? Yes? Can you tell me? Okay. Let us know the answer for this later on. Here, some activity we are going to do now. Activity number 1. See here what to do. Make a paper boat. You know how to make the paper boat, right? By using paper, we make boat. Right? Unfold it means open it. After making, again you have to unfold it, open it and count the numbers of triangles. Triangles means 3-sided closed figure. Correct? and four-sided figures, that is rectangle or square. Okay, and color any two triangles and four-sided two figures. Here I will show you the boat. See, this is our boat. Dear children, you have to make like this boat by the help of the paper. Take your mother's help or your sister or brother's help. Okay, because you are at home now. Otherwise, you can take your neighbor's help also. First you make the boat, then you unfold it, means open it. Then you will get some lines, marks, and from that marks you have to identify the triangles and you have to identify the four-sided figures. Then you have to take color pencils or color chalks and you have to color two triangles and two four-sided figures. This is homework for you. Okay. Activity number 2. What we have to do here? Make triangles and four-sided figures using matchsticks or small wooden strips. What we have to do here? We have to make the shapes of triangles and four-sided figures using matchstick. Matchsticks, you know, correct? Okay, we will try this. See, here I have some matchsticks. Okay, we will try to make the shapes of triangle and four-sided figures by the help of these matchsticks. This also you can do at your home. Okay, see here, first one. We can see here 4 matchsticks. I will take one and I will keep like this. Then I will take second one. Here I will place like this. Then third one, see. Okay, and fourth one I will keep here. So I got a shape. What is the name of this shape? Yes, this is square. Isn't it? 4 sides are there and 4 corners are there. Am I right? Okay, we will move to the second one. Here also I have some matchsticks. I will use them to make one more shape. See, here I kept like this. Okay, then I will take 2 more and I will keep like this. And I will take 2 more and I will place them here. What is the name of this figure? Identify. Yes, this is rectangle. This also has 4 sides, 4 corners. Now, please compare these two figures and tell me the difference between square and rectangle. Yes. Very good. All the 4 sides of square are equal. But what about rectangle? These 2 sides are larger than these 2 sides. Here we can say opposite sides, they are equal. See, opposite of this is this. These are equal, right? And opposite of this upper one is equal to the lower one. Means rectangle has the opposite sides equal. This is the main difference between rectangle and square. Okay? Got this? Okay, now we'll move to the third figure. Here I have 3 matchsticks and I will take one and I will place like this. Second one, base, and third one I will keep here. So I got a 3-sided figure that is called as triangle. What we call triangle, isn't it? Today we have learnt three geometrical figures, which are the square, four-sided figure, and all the sides are equal here. This is rectangle, four-sided figure, but opposite sides are equal, correct? And this is triangle, three-sided figure. All the three figures are closed, right? Now here you can see activity number 3. Find out the tools of games in which you see triangles, four-sided figures and circles. See here, carom board. You know, right? This is carom board, and these are coins that we use to play the carom. Okay, these are called as coins, and this is a carom board. Yes, what we can see, which shape we can see in this game. This wooden piece also is a four-sided figure, and this black border is also of four-sided figure, isn't it? And what about the coins? Yes? Yeah, circles. Very good. Here we can write four-sided figures and circles you can see in this game. Am I right? Here also you can see the holes. They are round, or we can see the shape of a circle here. Right? We'll move to the next one. Snakes and ladders, your favorite one, isn't it? This is our snakes and ladders board. Correct? Now what is the shape of this board? This is four-sided figure, right? And what about the coins that we use? See here, we need dice to play this, correct? And coins also to move from home to number, correct? They are in circular shape, correct? Now here also we can write four-sided figures and circles we can see in this game. Next, Ludo. This is our board. Here only we can see the different shapes, correct? And we use coins and dice for this game also. See here, circles. These are triangles, correct? And these are four-sided figures. See, yellow four-sided, green, and inside here circles you can see, correct? All the three types of geometrical shapes you can see in this figure. Means four-sided figures, circles and triangles. So we can write here four-sided figures, triangles and circles we can see in this Ludo game. Monopoly. This is a business game. Here we use currency notes. The board has four-sided figure, correct? And notes also having a rectangular figure. The notes also are in rectangular shape. Coins are there, correct? So we can write here four-sided figures and circles we can see. Coins we can use which are in circular shape. Okay. The next figure is puzzle game tools. This is also your favorite one, isn't it? Here we can see triangular, four-sided and circular toys or tools. Correct? Am I right? Next thing is activity number 4. Here we can see rangolis. Make a picture using the shapes triangle and four-sided figures, etc. Here in the rangolis you can see four-sided figures and triangles. Am I right? Here also in the activity picture you can see a circle and these are triangles, three-sided figures. Okay? Yes, dear children, we will try to make one picture using triangle, circle and four-sided figure. Okay? See, this is one circle. This is our face. We need eyes to draw. See, one more circle. One more circle. Two eyes. Right? We need nose. So, this is our triangle. It became nose. Correct? And this is our mouth. Open mouth. Round mouth or circular mouth. Now we need ears, isn't it? And here are our ears. These four-sided figures, they became our ears. And we need cap. See this triangular shape, it became a cap. Now we need eyebrows. See our eyebrows in triangular shape, isn't it? You also can draw like this picture in your notebook and color it. Okay? Here we have used the different geometrical figures or shapes, isn't it? Thank you, dear children. Please make a board and do that activity. And again you have to draw the last figure, that is face figure, by using different geometrical shapes and you have to color it. Okay.